He marangai I te rangi, he mā kūkū I te whenua, e hika mā. We've been experiencing some dreadful weather here in Kahungunu, all the way through Turanganui, Akiwa. Therefore, we're going to pop inside to the Handi Hangi and warm ourselves up with the delicious Hangi, boil up and kōrero. Nā reira, me hoa ke tātou. Kia ora, Gaylene.
Always nice to see you.
Yes, a koe hoki, tēnā koe. Before we do start, could you please tell our viewers ko wai koe, no hea koe?
Kia ora. Well, my name is Gaylene Kairo. My whānau come from Ngāpuhi Ngāti Hine. We're all from the far north. But I've been raised here, and a lot of my whānau have married Ngāti Kahungunu.
Kia ora. Hey, don't worry, Kahungunu will whāngai you every day, girl, with the way you cook us these meals,
oh, well,
girl.
and I do feel it. This is home.
Yeah. So, e te hoa, please tell us a little bit about the shop. How did the business start?
Hi, well, 19 years ago, actually, my brother and his daughter and her husband started it together. He's kept it going for all these years, and then I've just taken over this year. Yeah,
okay,
so it's started.
A whānau kaupapa.
Very much so.
Well, now with Gaylene taking over,
yes.
Who else is involved with this business here?
So, number one is my mum. I won't tell you how old she is because she might get a bit embarrassed, but she's been here for a couple of years. I've got my nephew and niece, their daughters are both working here, and then some of our local whānau too. So it's a little gathering spot really for our whānau. Come to see mum really.
Yeah.
She's the main attraction.
Of course. Now, is she that famous one that makes those delicious fry bread?
Aye, that's the one.
There you go. When you come into the Handi Hangi shop, fry bread, okay, is where it's at. Parawa fry. If we have whānau coming in from Turanganui or coming up from up north, how would they be able to get a hold of you or pop into the shop? Where are we located?
Sure, so we're on Facebook, so that's probably our go-to just for contact numbers, because you can call and make orders. That way you're not disappointed. Whānau call from Dannyburg or from Napier, Gisborne, Wairoa, so we'll hold their kai and make sure that it was out.
Oh, fantastic. Oh, you're spoiling the community, girl.
You have to do it.
Oh, right. Well, talking about spoiling a community, I better go and grab my hapu, my tamari, and bring them in for a Handi Hangi and mum's fried bread as well.
Yeah, we'll make sure it's all ready for you.
Tēnā koe, nā reira wā mā, come and have a kai with us.